correct? We were talking about which one? There was one question in the exercise which was not there in the lesson at all.
Methods of family planning.
Family planning, right? तो वो पहले छोटा सा है जो मैंने तैयार कर दिया, तो I'll show that first. We'll complete that and फिर towards green energy का continue करते हैं. ठीक है? So today also in between the call might get cut. We'll join back again. Okay? Fine. So the topic was, we had discussed till about population and family planning. है ना? So you know very well कि we have discussed about population explosion, what are the reasons and all. Okay? So at the end, when you know about all this, when you are scientifically aware, there are various techniques which are available, okay, because of which one can always plan out and avoid any unwanted pregnancy. Okay, unwanted pregnancy को avoid करने के लिए भी measures possible है, इनको बोलते हैं population control measures. Okay, STDs we have discussed. So we have seen all this कि इंडिया में population के क्या status है in different states and union territories, right? So there are scientifically available various birth control measures or population control measures, जिनको बोलते हैं contraceptives. Okay, the word for that is contraceptives. So when you're talking about birth control measures, they are of two types. Okay, the first type is called non-clinical methods. कि मतलब here most often you don't require the help of a doctor. This is something one can practice on a personal level. तो उसको non-clinical methods करके बोलते हैं. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे अलग अलग टेक्निक्स है. We'll just see the names and a brief idea about each one. And there is another one called clinical method also. Okay. So in non-clinical method, the first one is called the rhythm method. That means birth control measures में aim क्या है कि even if there is sexual activity between a couple of the right age and the right situation, and they don't want to have a baby, this is possible even in the case of married couples. कि कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि there are already 2 या 3 children and they don't want it further. Okay, तो unwanted pregnancy avoid करने के लिए ये टेक्निक्स है. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वन है rhythm method. Okay, rhythm method means you all are aware about the menstrual cycle में, उसका नंबर ऑफ डेज एंड कौन से डे में कौन सा इवेंट है, ये सब हमने डिस्कस किया. Okay, ideally menstrual cycle is for how many days?
28.
It is for 28 days.
28.
Yes. And how many phases are there in the menstrual cycle? How many phases are there in the menstrual cycle? Stages or phases in the menstrual cycle?
4.
There are 4 stages.
4.
Yes. So the first one is the menstrual phase or the bleeding phase. Second one जो है वो follicular phase करके बोलते हैं, where the follicles are formed. The third phase is called as the ovulation या ovulatory phase. This is the shortest phase, and you are aware about the events associated with that. कि ovulatory phase जो है उसमें वो ovum produce होता है and that is released from the ovary, जो fallopian tube उसको catch कर लेता है. And after that, when the ovum is in the fallopian tube, so next 14 days are the most fertile days. Okay, so that means when one is aware about the menstrual cycle events for the particular female, menstrual phase के बारे में सबको आइडिया मिल जाएगा. तो menstrual phase के हिसाब से one has to calculate. You see, when now if I ask you second phase, the follicular phase, if the sexual intercourse is carried out in the follicular phase, can the pregnancy take place? In the follicular phase, can the pregnancy take place?
Less chances.
There are extremely less chances. No chances, कोई भी phase नहीं. Okay, the first phase जो menstrual phase है, that is something practically it has to be avoided for hygienic purposes. Okay, and second phase जो है, that is the follicular phase. So in the follicular phase, the ovum is not yet formed ideally, but there is always a bleak chance that the previous menstrual phase did not release the unfertilized ovum. तो उसके रहते रहते कभी कभी सेकेंड फेज में प्रेगनेंसी होने के चांसेस, थर्ड फेज अगेन ओव्यूलेशन, चांसेस आर लेस, बट सबसे ज्यादा जो चांसेस है प्रेगनेंसी होने का वो है नेक्स्ट 14 डेज। गेटिंग इट? So that means the timing of the sexual intercourse has to be planned. Which are the days which are most safe so that pregnancy does not take place. उसको बोलते हैं रिदम मेथड। तो ये भी एक तरह का बहुत कंट्रोल मेजर हो गया, ठीक है। देन सेकेंडली ये बहुत पॉपुलर कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स है जिनको बोलते हैं कॉन्डम्स। ओके, so these are like physical barriers. Okay, what are they made up of? What are these made up of? Yes, ये किस चीज के बने होते हैं? This is made up of latex, रबर जैसे मटेरियल लैटेक्स करके बोलते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज डायरेक्टली वोन ओवर द पेनिस ड्यूरिंग सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स। तो एक फिजिकल बैरियर बन जाते हैं। So because of that, what happens कि whenever there is ejaculation from the penis with the semen won't enter the vagina because this one will block it. So sexual intercourse will take place, but no sperm will be entering the vagina. But is it 100% foolproof? 100% गारंटी है क्या कि इसमें नहीं होगा प्रेगनेंसी? What is your opinion? Yes? बोलो. Now that you have understood the technique, is it 100% safe to use this? 100% कोई भी मेथड नहीं, 100% वाला क्लिनिकल मेथड से। Okay, as far as chances of pregnancy is concerned, this also has got a chance. There can be a possibility that the condoms will slip off and then काम खत्म। Okay, and secondly, इसका और एक सबसे बड़ा जो फायदा है, other than birth control measure, it is that this can prevent STDs. Use of this contraceptive can prevent STDs to take place. So उसके लिए when there is no other option, one has to prefer this so that STDs are prevented. Okay, next is spermicidal agents. That means there are creams or foams or tablets or films or अलग-अलग type के material आते हैं which are supposed to be spermicidal. Spermicidal मतलब क्या? When the word is cidal या cidal, it means it can kill. जैसे हम insecticide बोलते हैं, so it can kill insects. So when you say spermicide, it can kill. Spermicide क्या करेगा? It will kill the sperms.
It can kill the sperms.
Yes. Okay. तो ये जो से cream और ये सब आते हैं ना, तो before sexual intercourse, this can be applied on the vagina, and then the normal sexual intercourse without any other method can be done. So even if there is ejaculation, the semen will fall on the vagina and the sperms will be killed there itself. So no sperm will enter. But again, can you tell me whether it is 100% safe or guarantee? You never know. How many sperms are there in an ejaculation? In one ejaculation,
200 to 400
million. So you never know which sperm turns out to be extremely strong. And spermicides उसको नहीं मारेंगे. There is always a chance. Getting it? So that's why this is also not 100% effective. ठीक है? Next one जो है cervical caps, also called barrier method. इसको commonly female condom भी बोलते हैं. Okay, so this kind of a cup is available, and this cup is manually inserted into the cervix through the vagina. Cervix के अंदर, you know where is the cervix now? Vagina और uterus के बीच में. Okay, so manually this cup is inserted into the cervix and just placed over there. So inside the vagina, this will form a physical barrier now. So when there is sexual intercourse, ये जो plug बना हुआ है यहाँ पर, this will stop the sperms from entering inside further. It will act as a barrier. Again, this is not 100% effective because if the cervical cup or the cap is not inserted properly, थोड़ा सा भी जगह मिल गया, sperms चला गया, and out of so many sperms, one is enough to become the hero. Yes, Neha, push.
But sir, ये dangerous भी है ना?
Not dangerous as such, it has to be used properly, that's it. ये अच्छा मटेरियल का भी अवेलेबल है, so that has to be used, and after the act is over, this has to be removed. It cannot be kept permanently inside. Okay, so cervical cap करते, ठीक है. Next one, contraceptive pills. That means there are hormonal tablets available. Okay, without realizing anything, suppose the sexual intercourse is carried out, and later on one realizes कि नहीं, pregnancy नहीं चाहिए करके. So after the sexual intercourse, without using any of these things, after the act is over, the female has to take this pill. इसमें hormonal tablets होते हैं, which will prevent the ovum, if it is there, and ovary के अंदर वो progesterone वगैरह का manipulation करते हैं, estrogen progesterone को. So fertilization के chances एकदम reduce करते हैं. That is the use of these pills. So after the sexual intercourse, it has to be taken within 72 hours. तभी ये effective रहेगा. ठीक है. So I pill करके सब available है. There are various brands and all available. Okay. And then next आता है IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive devices. Intra का मतलब है inside, uterine मतलब uterus. So that means ये जैसे दिख रहा है, कॉपर का लूप है. This loop is made out of copper. तो ऐसे कॉपर का लूप यूटेरस के अंदर डाल दिया जाता है. This obviously cannot be done manually. ये डॉक्टर सर्जरी करके करते हैं. एक माइन्यूट सर्जरी करके यूटेरस के अंदर ये कॉपर का लूप डाल दिया जाता है. ओके, एंड दिस इज कॉपर बेस्ड विदाउट एनी हार्मोन, एंड ये 10 इयर्स का गारंटी रहता है. तो दिस विल आल्सो एक्ट एज अ बैरियर इन द यूटेरस. ये वाला जो था ये सर्विक्स में बैरियर था, ये यूटेरस में बैरियर है. गेटिंग इट? तो 10 इयर्स के लिए देयर इज हार्डली एनी चांस दैट प्रेगनेंसी विल टेक प्लेस. दैट इज आईयूसीडी. समझा अच्छी तरह से? So these are all the physical methods या non clinical methods भी बोल सकते हैं. There are clinical methods also available. Okay, quickly let's wind up that because 5 minutes में call cut हो जाएगा. Then after the next call we can start with green energy. ठीक है? So contraceptive pills for clinical या surgical methods. There are only 2 methods. अभी जो पहले वाले थे वो सब temporary methods थे. Every method was temporary. All the 6 that we have seen. ये वाले जो है ये permanent है. So there is one method for the male and one for the female. मेल में जो सर्जरी होता है उसको बोलते हैं वैसेक्टोमी. इफ यू रिमेंबर द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, देयर इज वास्ट डिफरेंस ओवर हियर. इसको वास्ट डिफरेंस बोलते हैं ना. तो यहाँ पे टेस्टिस में स्पर्म्स बनते हैं, and these sperms travel through the epididymis to the vas deferens and then enter the ejaculatory duct to be released through the urethra. Correct? तो यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं इस सर्जरी में? वैसेक्टोमी. whenever the word is tomy, that means it is cut and removed. तो वैसेक्टोमी मतलब वास डिफरेंस को यहाँ पे कट करके सेपरेट कर देते हैं. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग विल रिमेन नॉर्मल. टेस्टिस में स्पर्म्स बनेगा, स्पर्म्स यहाँ तक आएंगे, बट स्पर्म्स विल नॉट बी एबल टू ट्रैवल फर्दर. दिस इज a 100% foolproof method because there is no other way that the sperms can enter the urethra and pass out in the semen. So there will be semen from the penis, but it will not have any sperm at all. But this is a permanent method. Once the surgery is done, then it cannot be brought back. So that is why this is especially carried out by males who are elder. Okay, they already have sufficient children in life and they don't want further children at all. So permanent procedure ये करवा लेते हैं. That is vasectomy. Understood क्या करते हैं इसमें? Okay. Similarly, in the females there is another method जिसको बोलते हैं tubectomy. This is done only in the female. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Site of fertilization is the oviduct या fallopian tube. तो ओवरी में से ओवम को कैच करके fallopian tube में आते हैं, यहाँ पे स्पर्म मिलते हैं. So in this surgery, the fallopian tube is cut and separated. तो अगर यहाँ से स्पर्म्स आते भी हैं तो they won't reach the ovum. यहाँ से ओवम आता भी है तो वो स्पर्म्स की तरफ नहीं जाएंगे. So this is tubectomy. Have you understood? Okay, this is also a permanent procedure in the females. 100% guarantee that birth control will be possible. Unwanted pregnancy will not take place. Did you understand? Birth control measures are clear. All the different contraceptive measures, everyone. ठीक है? Okay, इसको हिंदी में ना नसबंदी का ऑपरेशन करके बोलते हैं, सुना होगा, वैसेक्टोमी को. Okay, you can just remember that. Right? Okay, so just 2 minutes are remaining. Let's cut the call and come back again. So green energy हम लोग वहाँ पे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. ठीक है? Everybody can cut the call and come back again.